You might notice in some sections of the market that sellers are dropping their price guide. This is not in all sections of the market and certainly not in all geographical marketplaces, but it is happening. Why? There is uncertainty among some buyers around what the market's going to do. There are polarizing messages in the media around the property market potentially crashing and the property market potentially booming. Now, with these two chasms, it's not a coincidence that you do get buyer reluctancy and buyer hesitancy, especially at auction. And it's something that you need to be proactive of, and also inform your seller that is not a negative to adjust the price, because each time you adjust the price, what it does do is allow you an opportunity to contact every buyer who's either inquired or been through since day one of the campaign. Let them know that there's been a price adjustment. Let them know that the owner has increased their motivation. Let them know that the owner may have even seen a property that they like and what is value to you at the moment. Now, this could be something that was an email in week one of the campaign with no phone numbers, and yet it slipped through the cracks, and then you send an email out to everyone and phone call and do a distribution broadcast. So there's plenty of properties that have sold for excellent prices that have had a price adjustment throughout the course of the campaign, and this is something you need to include in your agenda at the set to sell meeting so the owner is not completely surprised when you do bring it up.